inside so strong. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Something inside so strong. Brothers and sisters, when they insist we're just not good enough, well, we know better. Just look them in the eyes and say, we're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it anyway. Something inside so strong. I know that I can make it. Though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was gone. Oh no. There's something inside so strong. Whoa, whoa. There's something inside so strong. Whoa, whoa. There's something inside so strong. Something inside so strong. Something inside so strong. Know that I can make it. Though you're doing me wrong, you're doing me wrong. Something inside so strong. Something inside so strong. I know that I can make it. Though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. Something inside so strong. Something inside so strong. I know that I can make it. Though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. Something inside so strong. Something inside so strong. I know that I can make it. Though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. Something inside so strong. Something inside so strong. I know that I can make it.
Yeah, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Machuruni Banamkara, Kuyamore, the Melang, Abusheni, Molweni, and that other language, and that other language, and your language, and your language, and that other language. We have anyone here who speaks Swahili by any chance? Swahili. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know who's connected, who's here today, while I let the guys know in other social media platforms that we are live this morning. Let me know who's here, who's connected. You know what it is. We do it live. We are about to do it live. We don't hide behind the signals and whatever. We do it live right here, right now. You get to conclude. Right here, right now. So let me know who is here. Where are you connected from? Talk to me. While I look here on Instagram. Just want to post on the Instagram live. What is it? Instagram stories to say, hey, ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Yesterday's trade on Euro JPY taken live on YouTube. Hello everybody, Welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you to find out? Taking live on YouTube. Talk to me, ladies and gentlemen. Where are you connected from? Where are you connected from? Where are you connected from? Who's here? I see Mr. Bigo Fali is here. It's like, hey, we here. Mbizo is here, leadership. So we've got Mbizo right there. Who else is here? We're about to do it live. We don't just claim. We will do it live. And you'll conclude from there. So we are here to do it live. So let us know who's connected, who is connected. Let us know who's connected. All right, I'm looking for the link. I'm almost done posting the link here on what you might call live. Something inside so strong. Now that I can make it. We've got Kubakile Kusimang. Hey. I'm out here biting my tongue here. Hey, for the why is me biting my tongue in the morning. But the why is me bites my tongue in the morning. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here. Who else is tuned in this morning? Yesterday, we were here and we took EuroJPY, right? We loaded the pot on EuroJPY, and things happened, right? Some beautiful things happened as a result from yesterday's stream. And I also, those who are in the group, I went there to them and said, guys, load Starboy on 1 minute on gold. So we'll go and look at that one as well. But if you were here and participated, you got this sell, which gave 1:4.7. That is more than enough, right? So at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to tell me, I want to hear from you, who is connected? So yesterday we ran a poll on the EuroJPY, right? And then many people said, hey, it's gonna drop. It's Sihamba parts, of which it happened, right? So yesterday I told the guys to load the Starboy bot on the 1 minute on gold, and this is what then happened as a result. Let me show you. Remember, the Starboy takes trades at turning points. So this is what happened yesterday as a result of me saying, guys, load Starboy. Literally took a trade, and this is what happened. Another one is to 4 point something right there. Right. So that is that, ladies and gentlemen. That was yesterday. So yesterday was yesterday. It's not going to help us with anything. So we need to look at today and tomorrow, right? We need to look at today and tomorrow, and see what is in store for us, right? Ladies and gentlemen, we are here. Who else is here? I'm seeing 9 people online, but I'm seeing there's only Mr. Mbizo and Kubakile right there saying, today I managed to catch the live stream. I'm connected, leadership, awesome stuff. Good to have you here. We are here, we're gonna do it live. We're gonna do it live right before your eyes, right? You can take some screen recording, you can take some screen grabs. We don't care. It's okay. You can you can do whatever you want. You can invite others. No mayin, anything is fine. Right, ladies and gentlemen, when I'm gonna I have a tendency of coming in here holding trades, right? Because I don't start my day here. I start my day somewhere else, then I eventually come here. So that's why oftentimes you'll hear me saying, hey, I'm in the sell here, I'm in a buy here. What we also spoke about yesterday was the fact that I was in a buy on Nasdaq, right? And at the time, things were still looking yummy. I saw a lot of people jump in on those buys as a result of what I said. And a lot of people I saw in the group, they were celebrating. They were showing us their results, right? So I spoke about the Nasdaq buys yesterday, if you'll recall, ladies and gentlemen. Then I said to you guys yesterday that we had these waves going down and we're looking to start having the waves going up. That is what I said yesterday. So I'm not changing what I said. So I'm expecting price to do this today. So if I were you, right, I will do the right thing. As for me, I am going to load the bot on Nasdaq on 1 hour. So let me go and do that right away. I'm going to add which bot? Well, I'm going to load enter for me on 1 hour on Nasdaq. Enter for me on 1 hour on Nasdaq. Is literally what I'm about. Oh, it's already done. It's already done. So I'm good. I'm good when it comes to Nasdaq. As far as Nasdaq is concerned on 1 hour. If we're talking about this wave that I spoke about yesterday, I'm expecting Nasdaq to drop. After the drop, I'm expecting enter for me to take a buy for me, and then lastly, I'm expecting to smile. Right. So those are my expectations today, ladies and gentlemen. It is what it is. That's just expectations. Expectations are not always met, so it doesn't mean that it's going to happen. But if it happens, obviously I'll come back tomorrow and say, I told you so. If it doesn't happen, I'll also come and say, I told you so, and remind you that we don't win every call, right? Not everything goes our way, ladies and gentlemen. But at this point in time, wait, what just happened? Okay, cool. At this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, we're trying to see what we can get out of this market today, right? We're trying to see what we can get out of this market this morning, ladies and gentlemen. What can we get out of this market? What can the market give to us? What can the market do for us, right? So yesterday we said, we put up a poll and we said, hey, how many of you think this thing will drop further to here, or it was going to turn there and go up? And then we had about 54% of people who were saying this thing is going to drop to there, which I said, okay, if you believe that it's going to drop to there, then go and load the stop, what is it, the enter for me bot on 1 minute, of which in no time a trade was triggered. People's accounts just started seeing running trades on Euro JPY sells, right? So that was yesterday. What happened yesterday is gone. It's not going to help us with anything. We need to see what is what at this point in time and what to expect at this point in time. I see Tabiso says, saying, top of the morning, my good sir. I am with you, my leader. Good to have you. Good to have you again here, Mr. Tabiso. Welcome. Let's do it live, brother. Let's do it live. Let's do it live. Let's do it live. Let's do it live, ladies and gentlemen. Right. We are here. So now I'm gonna ask you guys how many people are connected. Let me see. I'm gonna start with a poll very fast. Depending on the outcome, we might load the bot, we might not load the bot. Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to ask you guys something. So, here we are. Before us, we have Euro JPY, right? Euro JPY, as you can see, we have a nice switch. Not even switch. What am I saying? we have a nice wave or trend to the upside, right? Looking good, right? Awesome stuff. So now, on this trend, what can we expect? Can we make money from this trend? Because it surely does look like the market is trending to the upside. So is there anything we can do to get money? Is there a chance that the market will do this here? If you guys think the market is going to do this, if you guys think the market is going to do this, we'll come back. So that is Euro JPY going to buy? Or alternatively, I'll look at possibilities of Euro JPY go down, having to go down, right? So let us look at the possibilities of Euro JPY going down. Looking at daily, immediately you don't see anything. But when you look at H4, I mean, that is monthly, not H4. What we then see is, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is sitting in a supply, which is the monthly supply. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine catching a sell here and then the market decides to favor you. The market decides to smile at you and this thing just drops. Woo. And then it drops to this demand here, this beautiful, beautiful demand here. That would be awesome, right? That would be awesome. So when you look at that, ladies and gentlemen, when you look at that, with that being said, now that I've brought this into your attention, right? Do you think, now I leave it to you, now I ask you, do you think Euro USD is gonna further go up? Especially today. Or let me do this to make it easier, right? To make it easier for you, let me do this. And then let me do this. So I'm trying to find a supply right there on daily, right? So when you look at it on daily, what you pick up is where we are right now. There's a support where the market is currently. There's a support here, which is actually currently at resistance, right? So what I'm just gonna quickly do is to just maybe make it green, perfecto, so you can see how it's really coming about, right? It was so I can really also just do this. So it's an area like this, right? So this thing at some point was holding the price to the downside. We broke it and I started holding the price to the upside and was broken. So it is now serving as a ceiling, right? So when we come this side where we are right now, what we realize is the market is currently inside that ceiling on daily. Right. So with all of that being said, I have a question for you. My question is, do you think Euro JPY will push up, or we should wait for it to start going down? Do you think Euro JPY will push up, or we should wait for it to say, let's go down? So the question, to make it short, I'll just say, will we go up, right? Then you'll say yes or no. Will we go up? And then I think we will act from there. So will we go up? So while you guys are still looking at that, what I'm then just gonna do, so I'm just gonna look at this gold chart here. Yesterday, oh guys, again, yesterday we said you must load gold on 1 hour, so you should be having sales on gold. Yesterday we said have gold enter for me on 1 hour. If you don't, okay, I know I didn't say you must do it, but that's what I said I was gonna do on my end. And if you did it, if you followed, you are currently holding cells on gold. I don't know how many of you are holding those cells on gold, but personally I am holding cells on gold right now. Cells, right? Emphasis on cells, not a cell. Cells on gold. So I don't know how many of you are holding those cells. So we'll come to gold as well. For now, please attend to the, what is that? To the, what do I call? The poll right there. The poll. Are we going up from where we are on Euro JPY, or we're dropping? And then I will say what must happen or what I'm gonna do. You will see if you follow suit. So, ladies and gentlemen, the poll right there is facing you. Only 5 votes so far. There's 19 people connected, including myself. So please, let's do the right thing, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do the right thing. Let's do the right thing. We're about to do it live. We're about to do it live. We're about to do it live. We are about to do it live, but I just want your participation right there. I want your input right there. I want your input right there. I want your input right there, ladies and gentlemen. Your input on Euro JPY. Are we going up? Are we going down? We have 6 votes, and there's many of you right there. So please do the right thing. Are we gonna go up? Are we gonna go down? Let's quickly finish up with Euro JPY because we have to go to gold. We have to go to gold. So please, let's quickly finish up with this Euro JPY. Then we have to go to gold. Please vote. Do the right thing right there, ladies and gentlemen, and vote. Do the right thing right there and vote. Are we going up? Are we going down? We only have 7 votes so far, and we have 16 people who are currently connected, 8 votes. So we are having 50% of people vote, and the majority is saying we are going up. The majority is saying we are going up. The majority is saying we are going up. So I just need 10 votes. So 2 more votes, then we go see something. We go see something. Just 2 more votes, then we go see something, ladies and gentlemen. 2 more votes, and we go see something. In the meantime, while there's not those votes, what I'm just gonna do on my end, right, is just look at what gold is doing. 1 more vote on Euro JPY. The majority of people are saying Euro JPY is going to go up, and others are saying nope, we are in a daily supply or resistance. This thing is going to drop. So what do we do in such a case? Well, we don't fight. Number one, rule number 1, we don't fight, we don't argue over it. It's just a thing of if I don't believe it's gonna go up, I don't take a trade to the upside. If I don't believe it's gonna go down, I don't take a trade to the downside. It's that simple, right? But I've got my 10 votes and 60%, meaning 6 out of 10 people are saying Euro JPY is gonna go up. So if I believe that Euro JPY is gonna go up, you know what I will do at this point in time on Euro JPY? I will go and load the Starboy bot on 1 minute. And when I'm loading it, I'll tell it to only focus on taking buys. You know, when you log in there and then you throw the bot, it will say about, it will say common, it will say, what is the other one? Input, right? I believe it's input. So I will go to the other one that says common. Then I will tell the bot to say only take buys, right? Only go long. Then I'll go and change my lot size. Then I load the Starboy bot on 1 minute on the GPY. So that is what I will do. That is what I will do. That's what I will do, ladies and gentlemen. So let me close that poll. Let me take that poll down. Alternatively, right, what I would do is I would go and load enter for me on H1 Euro JPY, enter for me on H1. That's another thing that I would do. You see that? So that is Euro JPY, ladies and gentlemen. Tabitha says, I think we're still gonna push a bit higher, my good sir, on Euro JPY. Otherwise, it's best to, what is it saying? To let the market do what it wants, then follow through. Awesome stuff. Well noted right there. So there's two ways, guys, for those who want to buy. Enter for me on H1 on Euro JPY, Starboy bot on 1 minute, with settings set to long only, long positions only. Right, so let us look at gold, ladies and gentlemen. Gold, yesterday, we're supposed to load the enter for me bot on 1 hour, of which, when we left here, I said Starboy on 1 minute, and those who did got this trade. This is the trade which was given as a result of that call. So those who acted smiled, right? So now we have people who are holding cells. You see that? There are people who are holding cells right now, ladies and gentlemen. People who are holding cells because enter for me took cells yesterday, ladies and gentlemen. So is there anything we can do further on this thing? Because yes, according to what we had said yesterday, some of us had loaded for cells on what you call on H1, right? And of which it triggered, and currently the trades are in profit, right? I'm not gonna ask who did it, but if you didn't do it, just know that you are missing out. You are missing out. You probably didn't do it and then went and took some trades on your own, and I don't know. You only know if they worked out or not, right? But at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, what we said yesterday, when things were still looking like this, yesterday when we connected, this is how things were looking.
My good sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry to disturb, but yeah, I think you need to come a bit close to your mic because you sound really low.
Yo, guys, I can't bend. I don't want to bend.
Or bring mic close to you.
The mic is at the edge.
Full blast.
The mic is at the edge. Full blast. Everything, guys. Everything. I guess I've just been talking too much, and I don't want to go past this point because then I'll be talking about. Yeah. But ladies and gentlemen, so this is what we said yesterday, right? We said the market, we're expected to do this, and then we said go and put enter for me on 1 hour, right? We said go and enter for me on 1 hour, of which it did the market really respected what we were expecting, and it triggered. Are we now going to change and say, no, we are going up, we're no longer going down? Or we are still going down? Well, nothing has changed on my end. I'm still expecting this wave until the market shows me otherwise. For now, it doesn't show me anything that says the market wants to go up. So because of that, I'm still expecting the market to drop. Right. So you should all, if you acted on what we said yesterday and what we did, like we said, we are on sales. You are not on sales maybe because you didn't take it serious, right? But it's fine. Sometimes you just wanna sit back, observe, and see, and then once you see, then you decide, yeah, now I think I can act, right? But the danger of that, right, is you find you are so in tune with losses. You know, there are people like that. They're just so in tune with losses. I don't mean it in any bad way, but it happens. There are people who they just come to the market to try their luck, and they are very lucky to come across a bad market. It's like they are very consistent with coming back to trade when the market is not working out. When the market is working out and they are seeing others make money, they are not trading at the time, but that then motivates them to do what? To fund and come and trade, only to find that you are being motivated by history, and history doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to repeat itself tomorrow. So when you come after the motivation of something that has already happened, when you come, you realize that, hey, you are in tune with losses. Today is a day where the market is just going to be taking, or this week the market is just going to be taking, and it so happens that that is the week where it's suddenly going back to the market. So it does happen. It does happen. So I'm just saying, for those of you who we've been giving all these trades and they've all been working out, 90% of them have been working out, and maybe some of you haven't been taking those trades, right? So it is there's a chance that the day you decide, oh, let me finally follow these people, and on that week it can so happen that it's a losing streak for us. So that being said, I would advise you to, because you never know, even the best of setups can fail in the market. You know, the one which just ticks every box where you say, you know, this one is going to work out, no makanjan, it fails. It fails. You see that? So because of that, ladies and gentlemen, anything can happen. So what better thing to do than to take advantage of all the opportunities that are presented to you, or most opportunities, especially the ones which you are not against. What I mean is, if I'm saying I'm taking a buy on gold, but on your end you don't see any buy, you don't have to take any buy. But if I'm saying I'm taking a buy and you also see a buy, then why not? That's an opportunity for you to take advantage of the market, right? So that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you are not in the sales, it's okay. It's your money. You don't have to be in the sales, right? But yeah, we are in the sales on gold right now. We are cruising. We are cruising. You guys know Tom Cruise? Yeah, that is us right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so gold is dropping, and I am expecting something like this to play out on gold. So we had loaded enter for me on 1 hour. So perhaps you didn't have it loaded. I think right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add enter for me on 5 minutes on gold. I am going to add enter for me on 5 minutes on gold. What am I expecting when I'm doing such a thing? I'm expecting the market to do something like this. You see that? So that is my reason behind taking some sells on gold. So right now, actually, I'm not taking sells. I am loading a bot that will take the cells for me. Right, ladies and gentlemen, let me do it. You guys know what Manamkara means? Manamkara. Let me see. Okay, here it is. Hey, the last time it had Starboy loaded, so I need to change the Starboy and load enter for me. Wait, I don't have enter for me on this particular MT4, but it's fine. I'll edit right now. It's quick, right? I just go to market on my MT4, and then I just search for, I just click on the search, and then I search for enter for me, right? First, I have to click on experts, right? Experts, then I'm just gonna search for enter for me, enter for me. And right there it is, enter for me. So just gonna click on the download, done with the download. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna load it on gold and then say yes. Then I say under common, I'm gonna say allow. Then I'm gonna tell it to only take shots. I only want it to take shots because I'm expecting price to do the things to the downside. And then lastly, I'm just gonna put the lot size and then change the time to start from 0.1, right, to 23. So basically 1 minute past 12 in the AMs, and then it must stop trading at 23:50. That is 10 minutes to 12 AM, right? And then lastly, what I'm just gonna do to avoid being kicked out of trades, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my stop loss at just 10,000 points. And then if I open my phone and I realize that there's a trade taken with a stop loss that's too far, then it then becomes my responsibility to adjust that stop loss. But I find that to be much better than just putting a stop loss that is so tight, which will just open trades and my trades just hit the stop loss immediately. Right, so I'm done right now. Just loaded enter for me on 5 minutes on gold. Magolide. It's melting, guys. It's melting. It's melting. It's melting. And then maybe some of you find 5 minutes to be too slow. Then in that case, you load it on 1 minute. Right. So it's all up to you. But even on that 1 minute, we are still expecting the market to do this. But if you wanted to do this, so basically, if you had loaded it before we came, you can see it's already been doing this on 1 minute, of which some of us are in cells. I literally went in here and my stop loss was literally here. I kid you not. I kid you not. I can show you proof. I can show you proof. So right now, as we speak, I'm already looking at the risk to reward of 1:6.57. I'm targeting at least 1:10. When I hit 1:10, I'm closing 50% of my trades, and then I'm leaving the rest to run until 1:00. Let me see. Until 1:00, what is that? 35, somewhere there. Then even when we get there, I'm not gonna fully close or just partially close and then leave the rest. And then we'll keep adding here. We'll be looking to add here. Else, if the market decides otherwise and shows us signs that it wants to go up, it's fine. We'll just switch and look at going up as though we'd never expected price to go down. You see that? It is that simple. We don't have to assume the market will show us what it wants to do, then we'll just follow suit, right? So That is that, ladies and gentlemen. So if you find 5 minutes to be slow, you load on 1 minute, and the market does the exact same thing on any time frame. Is it 1 minute? Is it 5 minutes? It's the same thing. These are waves, and if you had the bot loaded, it would have taken trades for you. Would have taken some trades for you. You see that? So you're having at least 4 trades taken for you on 1 minute right now. So 5 minutes can really be a bit slow, but it's also safer, right? So the higher you go, the safer it becomes. The lower you are, the more riskier it is. And some people just love risk, you know. Some people love risk. There's nothing wrong with loving risk. Some people just have adrenaline. I, for one, like adrenaline. That's why I like living on the fast lane. Not with everything, with certain things in life, right? I like living on the fast lane. So yeah, there's gold. Gold is dropping, ladies and gentlemen. Euro JPY. Euro JPY, ladies and gentlemen. I said those who believe it's gonna go up must load Starboy on 1 minute, or on, what is this one? Enter for me, right? Guess what? Guess what? Guess, take a 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 guess. Take a guess. All right. Never mind. So at this point in time, we don't have any trade executed as yet on Euro JPY, but we are expecting at least the Starboy bot or the Enter for Me bot to execute a buy for us on Euro JPY, right? It hasn't been done, but it can be done anytime from now by one of the bots, right? So let me look at the comments. I haven't been to the comment section for some time. Tevin says, hello, we can't hear you. Add volume on your end. Please add volume on your end, Mr. Tevin, because I don't want to be screaming, you see. I want to be screaming. So just increase some volume. Volume nyana.
Oh no,
on your end.
it was on my side. I had put Zoom on 50% because yeah. So now it's on 100%. So your audio should be fine.
Okay, so they say my audio should be fine. So Mr. Tevin, it's on your end. It's on your end. And then Tabiso says, I didn't get my entry on gold. Say, how pips thus far? How pips thus far? What do you mean? How many pips? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Can you rephrase? Can you rephrase, Mr. Tabiso? That was asking Tevin, saying, are you sure it's not on your side? Of which Tevin said, on TV, all right, but other devices, it's low, need to capitalize. So you know where you can hear it properly. So just do the right thing. Then Tato says, lol, my bad, guys. Sorry, I had my volume on 50%, of which Tabiso came and said, let me follow through on the M5 enter for me on gold, Mr. RB. I missed that H1 entry on my end. Guess network played me. I guess network played you indeed, brother. But at this point in time, sorry, my leader, what time frame is Starboy at Euro JPY? I said 1 minute. If it's Starboy, it's 1 minute. Enter for me. One. Right, and then Sitsila says, Rebecca, that's Rebecca, right? Rebecca says, these live sessions are very helpful. Thanks, Mr. RB. Thanks, Danko. So that's Rebecca right there saying, Danko, Mr. RB. These live sessions are doing the most. Awesome stuff. I'm glad, but I need to see results as well, okay? If I don't see results, I'm going to stop. There's a lot of things I can do. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know who has Euro JPY executed. Maybe you have a buy, executed already or you're still waiting, let us know. Let us know. Let us know. At this point in time, though, we're just gonna move on. Right, Nasdaq. I spoke about Nasdaq. I said Nasdaq. I have enter for me loaded on 1 hour. So we have spoken gold. We spoke about 5 minutes. Enter for me. Nasdaq 5 minutes. 1 hour. Enter for me. Gold, we also had 1 hour enter for me, of which was executed yesterday and is currently in profit. Nasdaq, no buy yet. Well, we're holding the ones from yesterday. But at this point in time, nothing has been executed yet. And then Euro JPY, ladies and gentlemen, we said 1 minute star boy and 1 hour enter for me, whichever one you prefer, right? Whichever one you prefer. So let me know, let us know if you have anything executed on your side at this point in time. What I'm going to do, I see the same Starboy bot here on GBP USD, ladies and gentlemen, of which there was a buy given here. If you loaded the Starboy on GBP USD, you are smiling because a trade was taken somewhere there for you and you are in profit. But if you didn't, it's okay. You will see that you are missing out. There was also a Starboy loaded on Euro USD, of which if you took it, you'll be in a buy. I am in that buy. I'm personally in a buy on Euro USD. But maybe you didn't get it and you're just like, hey, you know what? I think you guys tend to win most of the time. So I think I can start following some of the things you guys do. So it's too late for you to get that buy on Euro USD. But what I can say is you can load enter for me on 1 hour. You can load enter for me on 1 hour on Euro USD. Enter for me 1 hour Euro USD. Enter for me 1 hour. Eric says enter for me, took a sell for me on 1 hour. On which one, Eric? Is that on gold? Is that on gold? Is it gold you're referring to? When you say enter for me, took a trade for you on 1 hour. Is that gold you are referring to? Da, 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 dun, dun. Mr. Eric, which one are you referring to? When you say gold did the things for you, what did gold do for you? My leader. All right. I was just saying, for those who missed out on Euro, gold, the H1, yes, we did say you must load enter for me, get those cells. Let's eat those cells. I'm already in the cells as well. Let me see my risk to reward at this point, because remember, I need to take half of my positions when I get to 1:10. Where am I at this point? When I get to 1:10, I want to close half of my positions. So this was yesterday. We are done with yesterday's stuff. Let's focus on the now. On the now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm currently on 1:8.5. 1:8.5. So I'm just waiting to get to 1:10. Then I'm taking half of my positions off. Taking half of my positions off, ladies and gentlemen. And then we'll see the rest. We'll see the rest as the market continues to market, right? The market is marketing. The market is marketing, ladies and gentlemen. So if the market is marketing, you better do the right thing, because the market will not always be marketing. The market will come and take from you in the near future. It will come and take from you. It gives and takes, this one. So when it's giving, you better make sure that you take advantage, because the market will come and take. But yeah, We are going down. See Hamba Panzi. We see Hamba Panzi on gold, ladies and gentlemen. We are almost at 1:10, of which I'll be closing half of my positions, ladies and gentlemen. Almost. Right now we are already at that was 1:954. 1:10. 1:10. 1:10. I think at this point in time I can start offloading. I can start offloading. Or maybe you think I'm joking. I'm not joking. Listen to this. Did you hear that? That is the sound of live trading, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, you didn't hear that properly. Should I do it again? Listen to this. Did you hear that? That is the sound of live trading, ladies and gentlemen. What I'm just going to do, I'm just going to close one more time and then leave the other half to run. There we go. So that is that, ladies and gentlemen. As you heard it, it is good practice to close some and then break even and then let the rest run. Very good practice to take money. We are in it for the money and not to show off that I have this trade and that trade running, only for it to turn and you walk away with nothing. That doesn't help you with anything, right? Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm gonna you all heard the sound of live trading, right? Awesome stuff. That is the sound of live trading. So at this point in time, I said, if you want to join me on Euro USD, I personally have Euro USD loaded on enter for me loaded on Euro USD on 1 hour. I have it loaded as well on, let me see. Guys, who's still holding those cells on USD CAD and CAD JPY? There was a time where you were told to load cells, or is it enter for me on USD CAD, and a trade was taken for you somewhere here.
I see that
So
even
who
yesterday,
here,
trades were taken again.
yeah. So what you notice is, guys, you guys are playing. You guys are playing.
The city
Hey,
of money.
you guys are playing. You are busy following, I don't know what, instead of making money. All right, so enter for me, guys, Euro USD 1 hour. Enter for me, USD CAD 1 hour is what I also have. And AUD USD, right, Mr. T. Mr. T, when I have a birthday, why don't I have some background sound like you do?
No, you do. You do have it. What do you mean?
How can you hear? Guys, do you guys hear any background sound?
You can't hear it here on Zoom, but it's on the stream.
Let me hear, guys. Let me let's see.
It's on the stream. It's there.
It's there. It's like
It's there.
like we're at a spa.
I
You're
told
not
you.
there, but the spa.
Yeah, I told you it's only for the
that
stream, not here.
I
It's
see.
background music
It's-
for the stream.
Guys, that background music is imaginary. Am I lying? Imaginary. And it's not there. It's not loud. It's not loud and clear. It's a type. It's not loud and clear. That background sound.
Let me increase the volume a bit.
Yeah, increase it. Let me hear. Increase it.
How is it now? Should be clear now.
Perfect now. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. You see now, I'm motivated, ladies and gentlemen. The background music is loud and clear, so I'm motivated. So let's see where this motivation takes us. Wait, guys. So we said Nasdaq must drop to come and give us a buy. But what if Nasdaq can give us sells when we are going there? Have you ever thought about it? What if we can catch some sells while Nasdaq goes there? What if? Do you think it's possible? Maybe 1 minute, 5 minutes, Nyana. Do you think there's a possibility of having a wave to the downside? Okay, right now you can see it's playing. But do you think the market can do this?
At the same time, I want to
Who's that?
I have no idea. Let me see. Wrong one. All the way
Who
from
are
Uganda.
you? Guys, Tato, we are seeing your Zoom meeting there.
Oh yeah.
We are seeing it.
I forgot.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm asking a question. I'm not concluding anything. I'm asking a question. I'm saying, since we want gold, Nasdaq to drop and give us a buy, is it possible for us to pick up some sells on the way down? Do you think it's possible to pick up some sells? On 1 minute or 5 minutes? You are all quiet. I'm not going to say anything. I want to move on. That is enough. All right, ladies and gentlemen, when I'm going to end the decade, I'm seeing this thing.
You must wait for them, Pen. You must wait for them. They're not in real time.
I'll go back. If they say anything, I'll go back. Don't worry.
Okay.
So there was a stop buy again given on NZDK, guys, of which you should be in buys right now and in profit, cruising nicely, enjoying. Also on AUD/USD, well, AUD/USD didn't give us a stop buy, but we wanted one, but we didn't get one. So guys, you should be in a buy on NZDK. You should be in a buy on GBP/USD. You should be in a buy on EUR/USD. And I'm not just saying you should be in a buy. These are things which we covered here, and all these things moved up and paid. You should be in sells on USD/CAD. Tabiso says he's still holding the sells. So if Tabiso is holding sells and he got them here, then you should also be in those sells. You see that? Yesterday we spoke about buying Nasdaq, so you should be in buys. And then we spoke about sell and place euro. What is it? Enter for me on H1 on gold, of which if you did, you'd be in sells. So we're literally giving out free money here, but you know, they say you can take a donkey to the what? To the river, but you can't force the donkey to drink. That is very true, you know. So it is what it is. Tabiso says, yes, there's a possibility there, my leader, on those cells on Nasdaq 100 there. So he's saying there's a possibility that NAS can drop. He's saying there's a possibility that NAS can drop. You know what? I need to get my earphones and also listen to the live stream like you guys. Yo, where are my earphones? They're in the car.
Don't find yourself stuttering because you're gonna hear yourself twice now. Yo, it's so weird. I tried it.
Wow.
It's weird.
Wow.
So weird. Frank, how are you doing there on gold? How are you? Gold just shut down, bro. Gold is just busy, like dropping hard. How are you? Another day, another dollar.
Another day, another dollar. There we go. 1 to 10, guys. 1:10, just like that. 1:10, just like that. So I'm looking at getting more from this gold. 1:10 is not enough. The next stop for me would be for price to drop to give me at least 1:30. I want that 1:30. I want that 1:30 on gold. The other one I've closed, right? So you saw I closed. So I'm on break even now. I am on break even at this point in time. So that is that, ladies and gentlemen. Yebo, we're doing it. We're doing it.
I want us to
Doing it live.
break. I want us to break that low there on that H1. Then I'm gonna go for re-entries. That supported from there during NY session. I wanted to break it. If gold can just break that support there from there,
But
that would be
this,
nice. No. Up there, where we are now.
this is not N1 session.
I
This
mean
Asian-
Asian. I meant Asian. I meant Asian. Yeah. So if they remove that support, they form there. That would be nice. Then I can partake in the sales again during NY session. But for now, I'm done.
All right. Mashau says Nasdaq will continue climbing up. I say this because first quarter earnings for major companies were good. So I'm looking to it going back to the price it opened with in April. I'm also bullish on Nasdaq. And all I'm saying is the market moves in waves. And I'm saying I have enter for me loaded on 1 hour. And I'm looking to buy. So I am very much bullish on Nasdaq. I agree with you. But how do I find myself getting in more of those buys is the question. You see that? So, ladies and gentlemen, it is what it is. So at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, GBP USD is dropping, Euro USD is dropping. So this is all good because enter for me will be happy at the end of the day. I mean, USD CAD is going up, but we are looking at price doing them waves things. So maybe during the New York session, that is in the afternoon, price will decide it wants to drop, and then enter for me will be excited and will enter the trade for me. White. Ladies and gentlemen, what else is left? Habisa says, Mr. T, did we get that NZD CAD entry on Starboy? Mr. T, that one is directed at you. Was the Starboy on H1?
Mr. T, did we get that NZD CAD entry on Starboy? Let me see. Is it there? No, not yet. Still not there.
It's not there yet. Okay. It's not there yet, so we'll wait. But there's also a chance that it won't be there. Yeah, so let's wait and see.
Yeah.
So I was asking about Nasdaq, guys. I was talking about chances of Nasdaq dropping, and is it possible for us to ride some waves before we get those buys in the New York session? So that is what I was asking, ladies and gentlemen. Of which Mashau said he sees it going up. And I agree that it is going to go up. If anything, I am in buys, but the market moves in waves. So can't just have a big move like this and then we don't have a retracement. It doesn't work like that. For example, you look at this drop here. It was a nice big drop, but the market has to retrace, give us some waves. As you can see, the wave actually has already started happening on Nasdaq. On 1 hour, that's where it's very much clear. So as you can watch, as you are watching, it is melting. So if there's anyone who had me saying whatever I was saying and went and loaded the enter for me on 1 hour, you should be having sales somewhere here and somewhere here.
On 1 hour, you mean 1 minute?
Oh, on 1 minute and on 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 minute. Wow.
Yeah.
But it's always Tabiso's always here making money. I haven't had anyone else. Or people making money and just quiet about it. Because I know Tabiso's making money and he gives feedback.
If they're not making
they're
money,
eating in
they are
silence.
not. At least they can go there and say, those guys don't know the market.
Those guys don't know what they are doing.
Yeah.
We always give money in the stream.
We do it live here. It's nothing to hide.
If anything, everyone here should be walking away with 1K at least every day. Except like the days where like there's no trades.
Yep. So yeah, guys, if you did that, that is what's happening. So telling you, the market moves in waves, guys. There's no such a thing as the market can just keep going up. That is not normal. Even when you had like some big moves because of fundamentals or whatever it cost, the market will have to retrace. That's how it works. That's how it works, ladies and gentlemen. No, I'm gonna. So Lloyd says holding sells on Nasdaq. All right, awesome stuff. Yes, I missed it there on NZD. I thought the bot would have taken a buy, but yeah, I checked and I realized yes, nothing has been taken. So guys, we are good, right? We have gold loaded, we have Nasdaq loaded, we have Euro JPY loaded, we have a lot of other trades that are running. So if you don't have anything running, it's fine. We at least gave you something, so you can just go and pray that the market causes the bot to take those trades, and then everything will be good from there. You see that, ladies and gentlemen? So at this point in time, let me see if there's any other thing which we can maybe look into. There's nothing. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's something called AUD, ladies and gentlemen. I have EuroCAD loaded there. Not EuroCAD, I mean AUD. I have
Starboy
enter
on
for
1
me.
hour or I mean enter for me on 1 hour or Starboy to the downside.
Enter for me on 1 hour.
There you have it. There you have it, guys.
I'm expecting the market to give me a wave. The market cannot just do this, guys. The market needs to have some respect for us in the charts. So it has to retrace and then it can go up after. So in that happening, enter for me will give us some buys. Man, you must always keep this music at this volume. I'm enjoying here.
So that's why you were listening. You wanted to listen to the music.
I am enjoying here.
I see.
I am enjoying. I'm hearing
That's
myself.
nice. That's nice.
You see, it even made me start talking slow and low. You know.
Hopefully, don't fall asleep. I hope it's not making anyone fall asleep.
I'm in sync with the music.
I see.
It's like some melody going on, you know. Some melody in our live trading session.
That's beautiful.
Awesome stuff. So yeah, ADK, ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking for price to drop and then go up. So in that drop, ladies and gentlemen, the market always moves in waves. So there's always money to be made on lower time frames, guys. So you can see on 1 minute, there are waves going on. It's just unfortunate that on gold, I loaded it on 5 minutes. If I loaded it on 1 hour, on 1 minute, I would have gotten some cells added there for me. And I think right now, be having another cell there. But the thing is, I only have it loaded on 5 minutes. So it is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. I'm still holding some cells, so that's good. It's not a problem. Mr. Tabiso says, yes, Mr. T, you guys have been the biggest blessing for my trading this year. I've been struggling since 2020 personally. I appreciate your team, Mr. RB. It's a pleasure, Mr. Tabiso. We go in here and do it live. We don't care, we don't fear, we do it live. All right. So we have loaded some charts, we've loaded the bots on different charts. So right now we just have to wait for the market to play out, right? Just have to wait. Like I told you, if I had it on 1 minute, a trade would have been taken from me there. So I can right now expect price to drop. Guys, do you know that this trade here you are seeing is literally this trade? It's literally this trade. Because the market did this, then it did this, then it did this, then I'm like, Sihamba pants, there's a wave right there. So when it did this, I'm like, it's time to sell. So we sold, and the market has now done this. So I wouldn't be shocked if price does this. Why? Because that's how the market works, ladies and gentlemen. But as for me right now, I am in sales and on break even on gold.
So don't you think now since we failed to remove that there, don't you think we're gonna push up a bit? Hey?
We haven't failed. We can still drop.
No, I mean like that support there on this H1. Do you think as 1 minute is gonna give SB to the upside, and then we push up a bit and then drop again maybe during NY?
You want to invite me to the slaughterhouse?
I'm not inviting you anyway. I'm just asking. I'm just saying.
Well, it's possible.
Yeah, because since we do have a support here, and it's a solid one. Where price is now, it's a solid one. Until it's removed, we can still see price push back up a bit.
Yeah, it's possible.
Yep.
It is possible. So are you proposing we load Starboy on 1 minute?
No. I'm only focusing on sales, so I wouldn't encourage anyone to buy. But if you are feeling risky, definitely.
Well, personally, I have the bot loaded on 5 minutes. So I'm expecting a move up, me a wave, and then drop.
Yeah, I'll join you once that load is removed. That hindrance, because that's hindrance right there. Yo, hindrance.
Yeah, no, it's valid until removed. So what it's basically saying, guys, is this is a demand, and this demand can cause price to go up. So I don't dispute that, right? Because it's a demand and it's valid until price removes it.
Mr. T wants to slaughter us. No. No, I'm not slaughtering anyone. I said I'm not taking the buys, but I'd like to see that demand removed before taking more
Guys,
sales.
you know why he wants it to go up? He closed his sales on gold, so he wants it to go up so that he can get more sales.
No, I'm gonna get more sales regardless. I just want that low to go first.
Ah, guys, did you hear that? He says he's gonna get. You see, so he wants those sales. That's the bottom line.
Yes,
He wants.
we are selling today.
Yeah,
Overall, we are selling. I just want that low gone.
Yeah. So then let your bias be that the us who are holding the sales tell the gold, since the gold is your baby, tell gold to remove this low.
Yeah, no, gold must remove the low.
Yeah, then you can get your sales.
Yebo.
So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm gonna. So I guess at this point in time, we just have to wait for the bots and the markets to reach a common ground, and then we'll have trades taken for us. Euro JPY, why is this happening on Euro JPY? Euro JPY. So anyone who got a buy on Euro JPY yet? Please just type there on the chat box. Anyone who got a buy? Or are you also waiting with me? Personally, I don't have any buys triggered yet. But I'm hoping to get some buys. Man, Tata, is this the same? Is it like one soundtrack or is it a playlist?
The what?
The background sound, is it like one soundtrack or it's a playlist?
It's not a playlist. It's just what do you call it? I think it's 11 hours of non-copyrighted music. Because if you play copyrighted music, then they take the stream down.
Yeah, they'll come for us. They're like, hey,
Yeah.
hey, you guys, what are you guys doing?
Yeah, so it's like 11 hours of non-copyrighted music. So it's just flows and flows.
Guys, you see how the market works. There it is. I just told you about it. There it is. Doing it live. I'm not saying something and say you'll see it work out after 10 days on daily or whatever. Telling you as it's happening live on 1 minute and you're watching it, there's the low, it's gone. It's gone. The low is gone. There it is. So if you had loaded it on 1 minute, you would have gotten a sell there. So, and you don't want to respect enter for me, it's your loss.
Yeah, no. Should be eating. Guys, people should be eating. If you're not eating on enter for me, it's your own doing.
Doing it live, nothing to hide.
That logo, gold. Come on, remove that low, man. And then I'm gonna load enter for me on 5 minutes, like Bruce.
Stop.
Like Mr. RB. But if they don't remove that low, I'm not coming. Can be. Is there news today on like USD or what?
I don't think so.
No, okay. I see.
I don't think so.
I didn't remove
Wait.
the support.
Wait. I have cells taken.
Where?
I had my bot loaded in 1 minute instead of 5 minutes.
But isn't that nice? I'm coming up to a lot of profits. Still, at least it's not on loss. It's on profits.
I'm closing some. Hey, my dog, the free man.
Free
Guys, I
money.
just got
Free money. Free money.
literally here. It took a lot of trades for me here.
Ah, I see. Ah, that's nice. That's nice.
So guys, if you didn't load, it's your loss. I loaded by mistake, but I got paid.
Mm-hmm.
The money is gonna be written mistake.
Yeah, no, the money can't be written mistake. Nope.
Yep.
It's money. You money it.
It's not gonna be written mistake. Hey, that was cool. You know, about a month ago, I mistakenly left enter for me on gold. Not enter for me, Starboy.
Yeah.
With one lot.
Oh, I remember that. Yeah, I remember that. Is it the same one you told me about?
Yeah, I was like, wow, free money. Oh, wow. And it dropped. Let me show you guys.
Free money.
Let me
For
show you
free.
this,
For free.
I had this one. Does this sell here? One lot from here.
Oh, I remember. Yeah, I remember it.
So I closed 75%, and that's why I was supposed to take a buy, but I was driving that day.
I remember it. Do a poll there. Ask them how many made profit this morning. Only. Just this morning.
They're not trading.
If anyone ate this
You
morning.
find people have been connected here, but they made losses, and we didn't make any losses.
Yeah,
People
no.
are,
Zero loss. Money.
people are spending.
Money.
Let's see. Did you make money from this stream?
Yeah, from the stream.
All right, so there's the poll. I'll vote first.
I'll be the first to vote. I already did. I'm the first one.
So we have 4 votes that are
So
saying
only
yes.
4 people are trading. The rest, because the number of votes will determine how many of you guys are trading here.
7.
So far we have 7 votes. So 7 people are trading.
Oh my god. I can't believe those trades were taken when I was not watching. That's free money. Right.
Free
Not complaining,
money.
guys.
9 votes. Come on, guys. There's 29 of you guys here.
There's like four positions.
No.
4 cells. Good.
Is it one person? Are you not trading or what? Hopefully you're not making it. Hopefully it's not a loss.
So guys, if you loaded Nasdaq on 1 minute, you already have a trade taken again here.
Mm-hmm.
And you're expecting to go and remove this low. The same way we were talking about gold. because that is just how the market works, ladies and gentlemen. So, if anything, if you have enter for me loaded on 1 minute on gold, well, you don't have a trade taken as yet, but may drop and go and remove this low. We need that low gone.
How does that
All
support
right, ladies
look on 30 minutes?
We are going to end this stream in 9 minutes.
Yeah.
Because we started early today. So we'll finish early. Then I haven't bought PAP in a while. I'm going to buy PAP. By the caravan,
PAP.
you know those. Yes, I'm going to buy PAP.
I'm late. What time do you go live? Guys, sometimes at 10, sometimes around 9. Mr. T, I feel bad about missing that gold set, but still okay. There's more room for more trades. Now electricity down here. Wait, so you didn't have enter for me on 1 hour? Because if you did, you should have had the trade from up there where Bruce got the trade as well. On 1 hour, the trade was taken. Can you quickly go on 1 hour there, leadership? Didn't you have enter for me on 1 hour?
Yeah, I did.
The trade was taken all the way up there on what's that level?
Somewhere here.
Yeah, somewhere up there, around 23 something. Around there. Yeah. So you should have a trade. You should have had the gold sale.
So it's something we gave yesterday.
Yeah. We gave it yesterday. Oh, so wait, electricity is down. So your board can't take trades. Maybe that's why I didn't have it.
Get a VPS.
Yeah, I must get
it's
a VPS. $15 a month. I did say network failed me, so it didn't trigger. I see. Yo, sorry man. Sorry.
All right. So is there anyone here who had sent me an email saying they want me to create a bot? Anyone? So we have 12 votes. Let's see how the votes are looking.
92%. So it's one person didn't trade or made a loss. I don't know whether they made a loss or didn't trade. And that can or may be Tavis, who is not on the trade. But I'm sure you have the Nasdaq sales, so that's still money. We're not just talking about gold, we're talking about Nasdaq. Did you have trades on Euro JPY today? No.
No, on my side, I didn't get it.
Oh, so today there was no. So we had gold and Nasdaq today. So if you didn't have the trades on gold, you should have had them on Nasdaq. So regardless of whether it's on gold or Nasdaq, you should have made money. Because that's what we are here for, guys, to make money. Nothing else.
We want to money.
Nothing else. We want money.
We want to money, guys. We're not here for friendships. We're here to money. Don't you want to money? I want to money. Told you. What did I say? What did I say? Live. 1 minute.
Man, that's what I'm saying. If you had Nasdaq 1 minute, that's money right there. I voted yes, Mr. T. I still have USD CAD sales and CHF or CAD CHF buys. I did make money, my leader. One lie. Thank you. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Lovely, lovely. That's all we want, guys. To make money.
Guys, I told you about Nasdaq. I told you. If you guys acted from the moment I spoke about it, you would have been having a sales. You'll be having sales here, there, even there. I hate to say this, but I gotta say it. I told you guys. Told you guys. Told you the market moves in waves. So yes, we would need to get those buys, but the market can just go up, just to drop first. And there it is. So if any of you acted on it, you'll be having a lot of sales on Nasdaq now and smiling. Right. So yeah, it is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. We are ending the stream in about 2 minutes 30 seconds. I'm looking at the Euporiafx group. The people are measuring gold. And that guy saying he did full matching on Nasdaq, thinking it's gold. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it was nice doing this live with you guys. Let's do it again. Are we doing it in the afternoon? I'm not sure.
If you are here, we will do it. If not, see you guys again tomorrow.
Can't you do it without me?
It's boring, man. I'm here talking alone. It's not it's not nice to talk alone for like an hour or whatsoever. Nah, it's boring. It's nice when you have someone you can talk to and all that.
So that's why last time you went there and said it's gonna be a quick one. I realized you made sure.
Yeah.
From the moment you entered, you're like, it's gonna be a quick one.
Yep. Because you just talk alone. It's not nice. This one's nice. We can still talk and all interact and all that. Just reading the chat alone, it's not Ayoba. Can't be always reading the chat.
I see. All the way. All right, ladies and gentlemen, when I'm gonna, Mr. T, you can end the session.
All right, guys, catch you again in the afternoon or tomorrow. Cheers, cheers.
Is an awesome God, he reigns from heaven above. We praise the power and love of God is an awesome God. From heaven above, we praise the God and love of God is an awesome God.
trying to remember the son who died for us all. Because of the love, man, it's lit. I can't even tell you without this grace and without this love, we ain't breathing. Upon all this sin we committing, upon all this fake contribution, upon all the hate in the brethren, man, upon all the lies that I'm telling. Yo, in trials and tribulation, hit the king. No matter the situation you were in, the awesome, amazing blessing, he ain't kidding. Show me the one you believe, and I will show you the true coming king. Psalm chapter 103, praise the Lord, my soul and within.
How dependable, our God is inflexible, immeasurables, he's credible, it is not just historical, symbolical, eccentric, dilly, a mystical interpretation of love, illogical, like who loves a guy who's meant to die in hell, but El Shaddai, he's El Elyon, the only one, I am that I am is the only one, don't be misinformed, but be reformed by what you feed, and you'll be stand up like a body, you're gonna see to clear up the mud duckings, we cease to fear us, we go back on our knees, he hears us, no more slugging, we have him to spare us.